Hey, this is Mindy Corey, your senior consultant with 31 Gifts, and I, believe it or not, am coming to you live from my clothing closet. So this is probably the most awkward live video I've ever done, but I wanted to show you my absolute favorite 31 product of all time, and that is the Stand Tall Bin. It is seriously my favorite product ever, and I am just floored away with the different ways that I can use it and how durable it has been for my family. We're a family of 6. We go through a lot of laundry. Oh, there's a lot of clothes floating around this house of mine. Okay, so as you can see, I have one of my Stand Tall bins right here. Now this is an older print, but you're going to get the idea of what's happening here. So I have 3, actually, I don't know if you can see that, 3 Stand Tall bins in my closet currently. They just sit underneath my clothes. So they're tall, but they're still a great height for fitting underneath the clothes in the closet. So they're not taking up room out in the bedroom. So I'm going to grab this empty one because I'm in the middle of doing laundry right now. So the first thing you're going to notice is they have handles. Okay, our Stand Tall bins have these rods. When you get them, you actually have to put it together a little bit. You put a rod in 4 different areas. There's a little Velcro tab that goes over the top. So there's actually 4 of them all the way around. So that way, as you can see, this Stand Tall bin is standing up and it's empty. So that's going to hold its shape even when you're not using it, which is another great thing I love. You can personalize the front on one side of these. The bottom is just soft canvas as well. So if you are like, you want to put this away and you're not using it right now, all you have to do is just pull out these rods, just squish the whole thing down, and it's going to fold flat and you can put it away. But first of all, I love to use this for laundry. It holds 1 to 2 loads of laundry depending on the size of the load. But I've also actually used them for my kids' toys. We have 3 boys, and so we have a lot of awkward sized trucks and construction vehicles and stuff like that. And when we moved, I would actually put their large awkward sized vehicles and trucks in these Stand Tall bins so I could carry them easier, and it actually held quite a few of those. This also works really great for Hot Wheels tracks and Nerf gun collections. So those are my 2 boy mom hacks for you on the Stand Tall bin. But yeah, that is my favorite product of all time. It is absolutely worth every single penny. If you don't own one, you need to get one today. Bye.